So in my family, we like to buy apples and bananas. It's kind of inevitable. You can get fruit flies that hitch a ride on your produce when you bring it home. It's kind of disgusting. Hi, I'm Mikyah. I work in HR and I'm also a consumer care specialist. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to use our reusable fruit fly trap. This trap is super easy to use. There's only a couple steps to set it up. First thing is you open the top cap. You set it aside, make sure you're working on a flat surface so it doesn't tip over. So the reusable fruit fly trap comes with 2 packets of attractant that each last 15 days. So you just cut open the attractant tube and pour it in the trap. Then you'll replace the top cap on it, and you'll want to place this next to the sink or in the pantry or next to a fruit bowl, wherever the fruit fly problem is. The trap starts working right away. The fruit flies will go in through the holes on the top, and because of the funnel-shaped design, they can't figure out how to get back out. So this trap is pretty cool. There's nothing like it. Is that good?
That was great. That was excellent.
Save the bananas. I love my job because there's just a lot of support that surrounds you every day, and just the camaraderie of everybody that works there is just unlike any other job that I've had. Those fruit flies don't stand a chance.